For Medusa the Doll Maker's Andersens Little Mermaid, we have three versions that we can suggest where you can place your abalone crystals on the painting. And the first one is on the highlights just on the bottom of the canvas. We see that there are lighter parts on that shell in the middle and on the swirls and sort of like the semicircle shapes on the bottom of the canvas. That's where you place the abalone crystals. For version 2, you can place the abalone crystals on the pink areas. I believe that would be the corals that we see. So just sprinkle it sporadically on those areas. You don't have to fill it in completely, just sprinkle it to give it an added sparkle and glisten. And another option for Andersens Little Mermaid is to place the abalone crystals on that ring that she has around her. So this is sort of like a half moon or a ring. Simply follow that area and sprinkle it in that ring so that we have some added sparkle and glitter. Just in case it doesn't fill it in completely, you can simply use alternatively or sprinkle it sporadically and have the original beads on the other section that is not going to be in abalone crystals.